So today we will lower the seat for the Evo 8. So what's the problem here? I'm like 175 centimeter tall. I don't know how that should be converted to inches, but anyways, when I sit here, the seat is too high. So when I sit, I have to go to front to get connected with the shifter lever. But if I go back, where I'm on comfort, and my feet is not hitting the steering wheel, I feel lost with the shifter. I don't feel like I'm connecting to the car. So I have to sit like this. And my feet keep hitting the steering wheel, the plastic pieces here. Even if I take it up to the maximum, it's still not convenient for me. So this is the problem. I'm not feeling the shifter. I feel like I'm far away from the shifter. The shifter feels too low. That's why Mitsubishi kept it so long actually. Anyway, so I bought the kit and let's see. So those are the pieces that came with the kit. This is the box and there is no instruction manual, nothing. So this is a 14 ml. So let's see if we can open it with the gun directly. Oh yes, directly. In the back, I believe you will have to remove the center console in order to open the nut here, or the bolt, in order to open the stud here. So let's see. Well, a lot of small screws. Ooh, I found some Japanese coins. Let's see what are those. This is the first time in my life I see a coin with the hole in the middle. Wow. So you can use it to buy something or as a chain, to make a chain or a necklace. Wow. They always impress me, the Japanese. What else here? Nothing. Okay, this is a guide for you. This side is the console side, this side is the door side. This is, the tilt is facing down, if you noticed. Okay, except this. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to be with the correct order. I don't know why, but Binary did not supply me with those nuts, so I have to arrange for my own. But anyway, this is how it should work. This is the arrangement. So last step will be holding tight the nut and tight this bolt with the Allen key. This is the last step. For the nut here, you need a thin pucker to hold it. You will need a lot of adjustment to wiggle the seat in order to get this correctly. So you will need like a person who can keep wiggling the seat until this hole line up with the hole in the bracket. So this was the hardest part. Hardest? No, it's not hardest, like the, sorry, most difficult part. Okay, so I'm done here. My first impression is the seat is low. Yes, as they claimed, it's lower by 1.5 inches. As you see, I'm almost like full front. My feet is not hitting, even though the steering wheel is in the middle. So it's good, but I wish it was a little bit higher from the back. I wish it was a little bit higher from the back. But anyways, it's much better. You feel like you're lower, but you feel also you're connected with the car. So let's take it front. Yeah, this is the maximum front. Yeah, so it's okay. I hope it was really like, let's say 0.75 inches or 2/3 of an inch lower, not 1.5. 1.5 is too much, a little bit too much. Well, thank you for watching.